Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and test the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo. And guess what? I got this beast of a 3D printer for just rupees 15,500. That's insane for the features it offers. If you're into 3D printing or planning to start, definitely watch till the end. So let's open the box and see what we get inside. Right on top, we've got some paperwork, the user manual and the quick start guide. Then we have the printer space unit and the upright gantry, already mostly assembled. That's a big plus. Inside we also get the display screen with a control knob, the filament holder and a small sample of PLA filament, which is perfect for testing the first print. There's also an SD card with test files, a card reader and a full toolkit that includes Allen keys, a wrench, screws, zip ties and even a spatula for removing prints. We also get a nozzle cleaner, a spare nozzle and a power cable. So yeah, pretty much everything you need to get started is right here in the box. Assembly was super easy. It took me just around 30 minutes to put everything together. Most of the parts are pre-installed. You just screw in the gantry, plug in the connectors and attach the screen and filament holder. Very beginner friendly. Now let's talk about the main highlight, speed. The Kobra 2 Neo supports a maximum speed of 15 mm per second, but the recommended speed is 150 mm, which gives a perfect balance of speed and print quality. Compared to older printers, this one is at least 60-70% fast. It uses a 6-dual hot end to melt the filament faster, and it has a 7000 RPM cooling fan to solidify the layers quickly. This combo really improves print quality and helps finish prints faster. For print accuracy, it has input shaping and linear advance built into the Marlin firmware, which means less ringing and cleaner details, even on complex prints. And the best part comes with LevelQ 2.0 auto leveling. This not only levels the bed automatically but also sets the Z offset smartly. Of course, you can still tweak it manually if needed, but this saves a lot of time and hassle, especially for beginners. Also, this printer doesn't have a touch screen. It comes with a knob-based display, but it's smooth and easy to navigate, no issues there. So overall, for just Rupees 15,500, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is seriously worth it. You get fast printing, auto leveling, resume printing, and solid quality, perfect for beginners and even experienced users who want something fast and reliable. That's it for this unboxing and first impressions. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to print next. I'll drop the purchase link in the description below. And thanks for watching and happy printing.